All set now, ready to race. Racing just is started. We have Papa, Lolo. Break quickly at the start, moving upon the outside. Backyard Bully, then followed over by Todo Nato, while Alexis Fury is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. We have Papa, Lolo, by about 2 lengths, moving upon the outside is Backyard Bully. Then on the inside comes Alexis Fury, while Todo Nato is racing in fourth. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Papa, Lolo, maintaining a half-length lead, moving upon the outside is Backyard Bully. Then on the inside is Alexis Fury, while Todo Nato is still racing in fourth. Last 600 meters of the race, we have Backyard Bully maintaining a half-length lead. Alexis Fury in second, then followed over by Papa, Lolo, while Todo Nato is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. 2 and 3 keep on parallel for the lead. Backyard Bully is on the outside. Alexis Fury is down on the inside. And as they swing for home, we have Backyard Bully by about half length, running by the Alexis Fury with about 100 meters of days. We have Backyard Bully followed by Alexis Fury. And finally, it's Backyard Bully, Alexis Fury, Papa, Lolo, and Todo Nato.
A little scared coming from the second choice, Alexis Fury, but to no avail, it was Backyard Bully who crosses the